Junior Poke the Futurama and Dmitry Mikhailov Fan Enterprises Inc. presents Hector rebuilds Toyota/Ungrounded.
Man, I can't believe Diana Ross destroys Toyota with the black hole yesterday. For that, I'm going to rebuild Toyota by using Plordican logic. Yes, I rebuild Toyota. Yes, I rebuild Toyota. Yes, I rebuild Toyota. Now it won't be destroyed anymore. Oh look, it's Hector at the Animator 1992//EVA2K8 is awesome.
Hector, did you rebuild Toyota?
Yes, because Diana Ross destroyed it with black hole yesterday, so I have to rebuild it.
Oh my gosh, Hector, thank you so much for rebuilding Toyota. Now it won't be destroyed with a black hole again. I will be calling your parents about this. You can go home now.
When Hector got home,
Hector, thank you so much for rebuilding Toyota, because me and your mom heard that Diana Ross destroyed Toyota with a black hole yesterday.
You are ungrounded forever. You can do whatever you want.
Thank you so much, Mom and Dad. You are the best.